Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and this is the second video of the Django development course. So today in this course we'll see Django models. So models are an essential features in Django as it is used to create a table or a collection. It basically is a class. Let's start. We'll create a Django project. So Django -admin start project, and let's name the project as sample. So we'll press enter. And our project has been created. Now we will move into that sample folder and we'll create an app. So python manage.py start app, and then we'll give a name to the app. So let's write it as demo and press enter. Now we'll open our text editor. So in order to open it, we'll write code dot. So Visual Studio Code will be open after a few seconds. So as you can see, Visual Studio Code is open and we are having two files. One is demo folder and one is example folder. So when we expand demo folder, we see it's an app. So all the files related to the app will be seen, and in example we'll see all the files related to project folder. We'll go to settings.py and do the basic settings like demo. In the installed apps we'll write, and then after that in the databases, first of all we'll use SQLite 3 only, since it's a default database. It's good for testing purposes, so we will use that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna write some of our attributes and we'll create a model class. So since this is a sample code, so we'll write a register model. We will write like class, then write register, then we'll write models.model so that we can register our model. So we'll write that, and then we will define some of the attributes like name. And since name is a character field, so we're gonna define it as a models.char field, and we'll also define length. So models.char field, and then in the parenthesis we will define max underscore length equals 200 as our parameter, and we will also define other fields such as email, phone and password. So we're gonna write email, then we're gonna define the field like models.email field, and then in the parameter we will define null equals true and blank equals true. So we're going to define that, and then after that we're going to also define regarding the phone number and the password. Now we will write for the mobile. So for mobile we will define as an integer field, so models.integer field, and then after that we'll give null equals true and then blank equals true. Now the last field which is left is password. So we will write password equals, and since this is a character field, so we will write models dot character field, char field. We'll define like that. So we'll write models dot char field, and then let's give the maximum length. So let's define it. So max underscore length equals, so let's say somewhat around, we can say 200. So now our model has been created. Now the next step is to migrate it. So we're gonna use some commands in the command prompt. So the command is like python manage.py make migrations. We'll use it like that so that our table will be created for that. So python manage.py make migrations and press enter. So within a few seconds our table will be created, that is register, so which we have defined as a model. So we'll see several attributes also. So as you can see, migration has been done. Now we'll write the last command, that is python manage.py migrate, and then we'll press enter. So all the changes are done to our database. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the server. So python manage.py run server, and then press enter. Our server is up and running. So in the next lecture we'll see how admin panel works and how we can work on the attributes.